Okay. Okay, this is the Speed 2x2. One of the free gifts. This is a 1x1 keychain, also a free gift. This is a timer I got so I don't have to be using my phone to time my solves. This is the 3x3. Yes, this is the mirror cube, the golden mirror cube. And this is the MoYu Weilong 3x3, one of the main cube that I want to use. This is one of the free gifts I got, 1x1 keychain, little keychain. This is my new 2x2. I've never had a Speed 2x2 before. Comes with a little stand, an instruction manual. Okay, oh wow. Whoa. Okay, that is very loose. Oh wow. I feel it's out of control. Oh wow. Okay, this is the mirror cube. I've also never had one of these before. Let me just unwrap this. Oh, that was actually a lot looser than I was expecting. I expected it to feel almost like, I don't know. Oh, whoa. I probably shouldn't have done that. I don't know how to solve this. This is the timer I got, so I don't have to be using the timer on my phone to record my solves. So, instruction manual on how to use it. I don't need. So is this gonna be okay? I'll put some batteries in this later and see how it works soon. Okay, this is the 3x3 that I'm going to be taking into town, so I don't get the main one dirty. It came pre-lubricated. Oh wow, this is heavy actually. Whoa! What in the... What in the world? It feels out of control. Whoa. I feel like it's out of control. It's so loose. I'm definitely gonna have to fix up some of these settings. Okay. And this is the main 3x3 that I'm planning to use just around the house, just when I'm just doing normal solves. Tore it. Okay, comes in a little box. Little adjustment tools. Little screwdrivers. Okay. Just gonna move that to the side. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. Though the magnets are so strong. Oh wow. It feels very fast and very loose, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But these magnets are so much stronger than I'm used to. Oh wow. Okay, so here are all the items I got. There's the timer, which the instructions conveniently come in Chinese, so I'll have to Google Translate that later. Then there's the MoYu RS3M, which it's a little loose, but I do like the settings on this. It'll take a bit to get used to. Then we have the MoYu Weilong maglev edition, which I think I'm going to have to adjust the settings a little on this one, with the adjustable magnets and everything. Then there's my first speed 2x2 cube, which did not come pre-lubricated, so I'll have to do that myself. Then there's the mirror cube, which was surprisingly smooth compared to what I expected. Then we have the keychain, which was actually it was hard to get the little string attached because you have to get some tweezers and pull out this little plastic thing. Thanks for watching my first ever video. I'll be doing reviews on each of these in later videos. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about any of these items, and that's it for now.